Want to revolutionize your life with cutting-edge tech? These 10 insane gadgets will transform how you live, work, and play. Let's dive into the future. The average person spends about 90% of their time indoors, frequently surrounded by electronics. Did you know that? It's astounding how much our devices affect not only our convenience, but also our general standard of living. These 10 really amazing devices have the potential to completely transform your way of living, working, sleeping, and even maintaining your health. They don't only make life easier. From wearable technology that tracks your every move to smart kitchen gadgets that improve your culinary skills, these innovations combine state-of-the-art technology with everyday usefulness. Are you prepared to learn about tools that could revolutionize your daily routine? Let's get started and discover how these devices can significantly impact your life. Lumos Ultra Smart Helmet. The Lumos Ultra Smart Helmet takes cycling safety to the next level by integrating advanced lighting and signaling features directly into the helmet. It includes bright LED lights on the front and back, turn signals activated via a handlebar remote, and brake lights that alert drivers when you slow down, all designed to increase visibility and reduce accidents. This helmet combines cutting-edge tech with comfort, offering ventilation and adjustable fit for daily riders and commuters alike. While it's more expensive than standard helmets, the added safety benefits are invaluable, especially for urban cyclists navigating busy streets. Bose Sleepbuds 2. Small and noise masking. The Bose Sleepbuds 2 are made especially to enhance the quality of your sleep by blocking out disturbances like snoring, traffic, and loud neighbors. They don't broadcast music like other earbuds do. Instead, they use a library of ambient sounds that are preloaded to provide the best possible sleeping environment. The battery lasts through the night, and they come with a little charging case for convenient transportation. Their Snug, comfortable fit guarantees that you may wear them all night without experiencing any pain. They have been shown to assist many users fall asleep more quickly and stay asleep longer. But they cannot take the place of hearing protection in extremely noisy environments. Eufy Smart Video Doorbell Dual. Unlike most conventional doorbells, the Eufy Smart Video Doorbell Dual has 2 cameras for improved home security, allowing you to monitor your front entrance more thoroughly. It has clear 2-way voice communication, local storage choices to preserve your privacy, and AI-powered motion detection to cut down on false alarms. It is a user-friendly addition to any home security setup due to its simple installation and connection with smart home systems like Google Assistant and Alexa. However, there may be sporadic latency or connectivity problems depending on your Wi-Fi strength and surroundings. Philips Smart Sleep Wake-Up Light. Many people find it difficult to get up naturally, but the Philips Smart Sleep Get Up Light provides a scientifically proven solution by gently waking you from sleep by mimicking daybreak. This device gradually illuminates your room, initiating your body's natural wake-up process and enhancing your mood and alertness throughout the day, unlike sudden alarms that startle you awake. It is a complete sleep cycle companion since it also has calming noises and a sunset simulation function to help you fall asleep. Users frequently claim improved sleep patterns and less morning grogginess, despite the fact that it costs more than a typical alarm clock. Whoop 4.0 Fitness Tracker. The Whoop 4.0 Fitness Tracker provides more than just step counting for those dedicated to maximizing their health and fitness. It is a complete biofeedback instrument that continuously tracks respiratory rate, heart rate variability, strain levels, and sleep quality. Because of its emphasis on performance and recovery, you receive individualized advice and insights based on your objectives and way of life. It functions on a subscription basis, unlike other fitness trackers, and offers continuous coaching and data analysis, which some users may find priceless while others may be put off by the expense. Its battery lasts several days on a single charge, and its stylish, lightweight design makes it easy to wear all day. June Smart Oven. By integrating a convection oven, air fryer, dehydrator, and more into a single, stylish, Wi-Fi-enabled gadget that functions almost like a personal chef, the June Smart Oven transforms conventional cooking. With its sensors and built-in camera, it can identify the food you put inside and make recommendations for cooking temperatures and times automatically, eliminating the need for guesswork and guaranteeing flawless results. It's perfect for multitaskers or busy homes because you can operate it from your smartphone, remotely check progress, and even receive alerts when your dinner is finished. In spite of its sophisticated features, it's surprisingly straightforward to use and maintain. For those who are serious about kitchen innovation, it is a major investment, though, because it does have a premium price tag. Flipper Zero Multi-Tool Device. Although the Flipper Zero Multi-Tool Device appears to be a toy, it is actually a very advanced device made for tech enthusiasts, security professionals, and inquisitive minds. RFID, NFC, infrared, and radio protocols are just a few of the many electronic devices that this portable multi-tool can communicate with. Consider it a Swiss Army knife for ethical or unethical hackers who can troubleshoot electronics, open digital locks, and control smart gadgets. Despite its enormous learning and experimenting potential, users should be mindful of the legal bounds because abuse could have dire repercussions. Tech discovery is made less daunting by its humorous Tamagotchi-style interface, which adds an enjoyable and approachable touch. Vitamix One Blender. Ideal for kitchens with little space but high standards, the Vitamix One Blender is a petite powerhouse that packs professional blending skills into a smaller footprint. Vitamix blenders are the industry standard for smoothies, soups, sauces, and even frozen desserts because of their reputation for accuracy and longevity. The One is no exception. With its pulse function and variable speed control, you can easily adjust textures. Despite being smaller than Vitamix's more conventional versions, it doesn't skimp on power, so you can always count on seamless blends. Whether you want to improve your diet or try cooking, this device is revolutionary since it makes eating healthily fun and accessible. Govee Glide Wall Light. With the Govee Glide Wall Light, a stylish and adaptable smart lighting system made to produce breathtaking ambience in any room. Remodeling your living area has never been simpler. In contrast to conventional lights, these LED panels can sync with movies or games, react to music, and change colors via an app to transport you to a dynamic setting. With millions of hues to pick from, it's ideal for creating an atmosphere whether you're lounging, entertaining, or playing video games late at night. You have complete creative flexibility over how the panels are arranged to suit your area and style thanks to their modular construction, which also makes installation easy. Innova Precision Cooker Pro. By providing professional caliber sous vide performance at home, the Innova Precision Cooker Pro eliminates uncertainty from cooking. Unlike any conventional cooking method, this device preserves flavor, texture, and nutrients by cooking food gently and evenly in a water bath using precise temperature control. It's ideal for everyone who wants restaurant-quality outcomes without the fuss, including busy professionals and foodies. Multitasking in the kitchen is made easy with Wi-Fi connectivity, which allows you to manage it from your phone, set timers, and even receive notifications when your food is done. Additionally, its strong motor effectively circulates water to prevent hot areas and uneven cooking,